Two from quiz 3. We bought a house 17 months ago for $300,000. We put 5% down. Our mortgage was $285,000. We have an interest rate of 3.5% per year on our mortgage, and it lasts for 30 years. We've made 17 payments. We're worried that the coronavirus outbreak may cause home prices to decline in the area. If your house declines by 8%, is your home underwater? In other words, is your home worth less than what you paid for it? Okay, step 1. We have a lot of information that makes it seem like we should calculate what the mortgage payment is. Let's do that. So I'm going to start a new one. All right. Original purchase price is $300,000. The percent down was 5%, so that means the mortgage amount was let's look at our terms. We had a 3.5% interest rate, compounded monthly. There's going to be monthly payments, so we need to divide by 12, and then our mortgage is going to be 17 years. So time is going to equal 30 times 12, because there are 12 months in a year and we're going to make payments for 30 years. The interest rate, well, let's do the effective monthly rate. Well, let's put the APR is 0.035, so that means the effective monthly rate is going to be this divided by 12. Now it's going to bother me because the caps aren't matching. Okay, so let's figure out what our payment is. We can use the PMT function. Here's the rate. Number of periods is 360. The present value is 285. That's what we owe. And the future value is 0. We're just going to close this. All right, our payment is, and I'm going to make this negative just so we're like talking in numbers that make sense. Because remember, if you put in positive numbers here, it spits out a negative payment. That's like an Excel thing. But the payment is going to be $1,279 and 78 cents. Okay, so the second question is, what is my outstanding balance after 17 months? So this is how much we owe. So this is going to be the PV formula. We still use this effective monthly rate because, I don't know, that's just what we're going to do. The number of periods is going to be 360 minus 17. The payment is going to be that, and the future value is 0. So, and let me make sure that I'm saying this correctly. The reason that we use this effective monthly interest rate and not like whatever the market rate is because we wrote a contract on this house to pay this amount per month with this interest rate. And so therefore, the contract rate is what we care about because that would give us our outstanding balance. We would not be able to use this if we had like a floating rate mortgage or something weird like that, but we're just going to use a basic mortgage. Okay, so we owe $277,000. And now let's figure out the house value given an 8% decline. Let me make sure that we did say 8%. Yeah, house price declines by 8%. So the new home price is going to be 300 times 1 minus 0.08. The house is worth this, we owe this, so that means that we are underwater by about $1,194. Let's look back and see. 1,194. I'm sorry, yeah, 1,194. So it's close to $1,000. So the answer here is going to be D. We owe $1,194.50 more than the house is worth.